Hey guys, welcome back to STEMtopoly.
This video is part of our Science at Home series, where we do science experiments with everyday materials from your home.
And in today's experiment, we're going to be inflating balloons.
The materials you'll need for this project include
Baking soda, a spoon, balloons,
empty water bottles, and white vinegar.
To begin, we're going to fill each water bottle up to the second line with vinegar.
Then we're going to take our baking soda and add 1 spoonful into our balloon.
Now we're going to attach the balloon to the top of the water bottle. And now we're ready to inflate our balloons.
To inflate our balloon, we're going to lift it to an upright position so the baking soda will fall into the vinegar. So, why does this happen?
When the baking soda drops from the balloon into the bottle, the baking soda reacts with the vinegar to form carbon dioxide gas.
The carbon dioxide gas that is formed in the reaction wants to leave the bottle, so it enters the balloon, where the balloon is then inflated with the carbon dioxide gas. This inflation could also occur faster in warmer temperatures, because the higher the temperature, the faster particles move.
Thank you so much for watching, and if you would like to learn more about this experiment,
Click our website link down in the description box, and we'll see you in the next one.